Will it assist in restoring Terra? According to Adul Patel, president and co-founder of the global cryptocurrency exchange Murdex, LUNA's restoration plan would make Terra, quote, more like a DAO. For the uninitiated, a decentralized autonomous association, DAO, is an organization that is administered and driven locally, independent of central administration. Getting help from the Luna holders, Patel said, even though the plans are properly put up, they might get some margin to come out materialistically. Patel advises us to sit back and watch how the execution is carried out for the time being. According to Satvik Vishwanath, president and fellow supporter of Unocoin, even though they were running the token on Ethereum, which is a decentralized organization for doing changes, its administration was unquestionably held at the Luna establishment, which is one of the main reasons why Luna faced a terrible fate last week. According to Vishwanath, now Luna 2.0 intends to decentralize administration to transform it into a substance that is sometimes called DAO, so it'll be more widely governed than just by one organization or firm.